안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Okay, so for today's lesson, we're gonna be learning about animals in Korean. Fun. Okay, so animal in Korean is called 동물, right here. 동물. Okay, so let's find out what's our first animal. Yes, dog. Everybody loves dog. 개, 개, dog. Okay, and make sure 개 it sounds a little bit longer than uh, the other one. Let me show you. Okay, this is just ke. This is ke, right? From was it lesson one or two that we did cover that this one sounds a little bit longer. This e sounds longer than this e. Ke. So interestingly enough, ke is dog, ke is crab. Yes, that crab. Okay, all right. So we'll move on. So 개 is dog. Next animal, puppy. Yes, puppy is 강아지. 강아지 is puppy. 강아지, 강아지, puppy. So oh, you have a cute puppy. You have a cute 강아지. And as that 강아지 grows, older, becomes 개, dog. What is a dog? Yeah. Okay, next one. I'm sure you guessed it. Dog's best friend or not? Cat. 고양이. 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 And you might ask, what about kitten? Like baby cat. So we just say 애기 고양이. 애기 means baby. So 애기 고양이. So for puppy, there's a word for Korean which was 강아지, but for cat, kitten, yeah, there's not really a name for it. So you just say 애기 고양이, 아기 고양이, baby cat. Okay? All right. So cat is 고양이 in Korean. Okay, next one. Bird. Bird is 새. 새. And what about this 새? The shorter one. Well, nothing. Well, but if write something right after that, then yeah, there's a word, few different words, but just this one itself, 새, just like 개 or 개, right? So 새 is bird, but 새 not nothing. Okay. So just in case if you're curious, I'm just letting you know. Okay, next one, chicken. Chicken. So chicken is 닭. 닭. Okay, so again, complex final consonant appeared. So when there's a real and 기역, don't panic. Just it sounds more like the 기역. Okay. Okay. So for pronunciation purposes, it would be like this. 닭. Well, that wasn't the right correct order. Correct stroke order. Correct stroke order would be writing the digot first and and then the final basic consonant. 닭. Okay. So that's the pronunciation one. Okay. But when you actually write 닭, the chicken, you have to include the real and 기역 together. So you have to kind of cramp it in there. Okay. This is the writing one. Right. I'll just put W, and this is the pronunciation. 닭. So you sound. Oh, sorry. 닭. Okay. So 닭, chicken. All right. Next one. Duck is 오리. 오리. Okay. 오리 is duck. Next one. Pig. 돼지. 돼지. 돼지 is pig. And next one, cow is 소. 소. So 소 is cow. Next one, horse is 말. 말. 말 is horse. Next one, rabbit. Rabbit in Korean is 토끼. 토끼. 토끼 is rabbit. Wonderful. Okay, so let us go through once more. So we covered 개, which was dog, 강아지, puppy, 고양이, cat, kitten, baby cat, 아기 cat, 아기 고양이, not 아기 cat, sorry. 아기 고양이, 새, bird, 닭, chicken. So with the complex double consonant, final double consonant, but you just the way you pronounce, you just pronounce as 닭. Okay, with just the 기억. Okay, 오리, duck, 돼지, pig, 소, cow, 말, horse, and 토끼, rabbit. Okay, well, there's more animals. Don't worry, there's more animals. Let's cover them. Bear, 곰. Bear is 곰. 곰. 곰 is bear. Okay, 곰. Next one, sheep, 양. Sheep in Korean means 양. 양. Okay. And next one, rat or mouse, mice, 쥐. 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 Okay. Next one, lion. Lion is 사자. 사자. Lion, 사자. Okay, next one, tiger, 호랑이. 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 That's tiger. So 사자 and tiger. Yeah, tiger and lion and tiger. I'm sorry. Next one, elephant. Elephant is 코끼리. 코끼리. Interesting enough, elephant has a long nose, so the nose trunk. So 코, as we cover in our body parts, 코 was nose, correct? So 코끼리. So the good way to remember 코끼리, elephant. Okay, next one, snake. Snake is called 뱀. 뱀. 뱀 is snake. 뱀. Monkey, 원숭이. 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 Okay? Okay, next one. Mosquito. Mosquito is called 모기. 모기. 모기 is mosquito. Next one. Fly is 파리. 파리. Okay? 파리 is fly. Okay? 파리 is fly, fly, 파리. Next one. Ant. 개미. 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 Ant. 개미. Good. Okay, so let us review. 곰, bear, 양, sheep, 쥐, rat or mouse, 사자, lion, 호랑이, tiger, 코끼리, elephant, 뱀, snake, 원숭이, monkey. 모기, mosquito. 파리, fly. And 개미, ant. Good job. Okay, so I hope you have learned the animals. So, and I'm sure you have your favorite animal from here. So maybe if you have a dog, if you have a 개 or 강아지 or 고양이 or 원숭이, I don't know. I'm sure there's 모기 everywhere, wherever you go, and 파리 as well, and 개미 too. Pam, well, unlikely. Okay, unless you're living in a tropical area. 코끼리, oh, you have to go to zoo or some, I don't know. Yeah, 호랑이 사자, ooh, not easy to find. Yang as well. 곰, well, yeah, you could find 곰 in the mountains if you go to Korea. Yeah, so okay, so try to practice. Okay, different animals. Try to memorize them, but not just memorize them. Find a way to use to use these words. Okay. All right. Thank you. 감사합니다. 수고하셨어요. See you next time. Thank you.